So welcome to the new video. In this video we will be unboxing the grade 5 robotics kit. As always, we get the component list. After this we have full bag of wood bricks. Then we have electronic blocks and battery and motors, 2 wheels, a thread. So let's open the first electronic component package. So inside in this, first we get a BO motor and motor driver. It has a switch for forward and reverse rotation. We have the distance and the IR block. The white color LED, it is the transmitter, and the black color LED here you can see that is the receiver. The 3 wires which are connected, it is positive, negative and data pin. These wires are completely connected to distance block. The distance is the main calibrator for our IR sensor. After this we have a power block. We have an invert. After this we have a battery wire and a 9-volt battery. Now let's open the packet of wood bricks. Now firstly, let's start with the 5-hole beams and show you how the 5-hole beams look like. According to the quantity which is given in the list, it is 12. With the same quantity, we have 3-hole elbows. This is how it looks. After that, we have 1-hole beam. According to the quantity which is given in the list, it is 24. This is how it looks. After that, we get 2-hole elbow packet. The quantity is again 12. For this, we get 1-hole elbow. This is how it looks. The quantity which is given in the list, it is 24. We have a packet of dummy axle. This is how the dummy axle packet looks like. This is the component. After this, we have BO shaft. The quantity of BO shaft is 8. Then a block holder, packet of coupler, battery holder, short, medium and long axle packet, each in 2. And the last one is the robotics key. This helps to remove the small parts like the coupler, BO shaft, block holder, dummy axle. So these small parts which get stuck inside in this bigger parts like this. So this key helps to remove it. So this was the complete unboxing robotics kit.